This is Nobo 2010 Sharp Eye Channel. We are here at Dobsonville Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 3, AS Simba 1. My brother, kunjani?
Ngiyaphila njani bhuti ngoba?
Ngiyaphila. Ubuya phi? Uba igama lakho?
Ugama uChristian ngibuya ePro Athlete Extension 4.
Number 1. Uzwa kanjani igame namhlanje?
Game ya today Mr. Ngobo. I would like to say congratulations to my Mamelodi Sundowns, Stellenbosch, and my team Kaizer Chiefs.
Number 1.
I won't mention any name of any team. I just want to say one thing. For us, it took only 25 minutes to score 3 goals.
3 goals, exactly.
But other people took 90 minutes
to score 3 goals.
To score those 3 goals. And they ended up losing the game again. But we're not there.
We are here in Dobsonville now.
We're not there. We're here in Dobsonville.
Yeah, let's talk about
I'm so happy.
Dobsonville, and your feelings about how your boys performed.
Today, I'm happy because I saw on my first level, there was Vilagazi, there was Ngobo, there was Mdu. Those 3 boys, they are good. I would like to say that. Yes. Thank you, Mister.
Thank you so much, my brother. Congratulations. Your friend here, your friend from another, your brother from another mother wanted to say something.
Hold on. Can you go like football or able like team if you South Africa? A police to go Polokwane City. I have Pirates. With the last squad, national team. And Nagalo Polokwane City about the national team. Raya Moala. La Arboning Lodge. Lodge can about the Lago Pirates about the national team. At the Sundowns, Ascala national team. No lodge, Ope for Mashapa Quantene, Ramonita no South African, or a pep at Atlan national team. Mara because of Cosa Ranya Gamoto, Yato Pirates at the national team.
You are wrong. Why Obilaso? Maybe get wrong can right. Why also?
Tico Murisa, over Palace Orlando Pirates, about the national team. At all Pirates, about Pala Sundowns, a Champions League, a Net Bank, a Telecom Knockout, a MTN, a League. A Chisa Tico Muris, Marasinga national team.
But Dr. Koza, our coachy Bafana Bafana, Asiana selecting Bafana Fan, I regular staff for regular PSL, so why you blame my
and Mjed?
About counter. Kiri. Dr. Koza, our coach Bafana, I regularly suffer. Like I can feel Ugo PSL, like Chemina PSL. So why blame Bafana Bafana?
I like your kissing. Why get to play my Mutlaza Paris, which are our Sundowns, but Motoraka Paris, our national team. That means play again. I was like Ivan course. That means everyone at Orlando Pirates, I are teaming in Wasatala national team. Kimanga Pirates and Lutalan, I are teaming in Watala national team. Can't tell you Faraba America 200 million. Nkotalo player check off Mudisa adlala Bafana Bafana Manyesa adlala Bafana Bafana
akere go ya ka selection ha ba sa selector o se
no Ramata Lodge o performa well mara because of Orlando Pirates
as Pirates ke coach Hugo Bruce ha ka se mo select
Bruce wa monyaka there is no batho ba le raka go di magaga
o buritse mangoro monyaka
Hugo Bruce ana dira tsora ka monka mara yena wa monyaka
everyone kra gore o buri kenya gore bolela ka defects cause they are rena le batho ba ileng gore ba television ba lebeletse a renya go fra batho re kana ra luka rena as supporters ra dia benta war Pirates war eng mara you can't say gore Dr. Ivan Koza kena a sanya go di player ele gore Bafana ena le di coachara ena le president ya SAFA.
Ke understand ne national team no matter how old you are ne as long as you have one nitega mo squatting
yes
mara player engwe le ngwe player go no tlo go Chiefs yo go Sundowns ba bitse squatting player go no tlo go Sundowns yo go Maritzburg go Cape Town City ba bitse squatting why did you Pirates have a problem?
No, it's not about Pirates, it's about the coach. Hey coach as I select it goes back to Kaizer Chiefs. Some Kaizer Chiefs fans never Hugo Bruce has selected the players at Kaizer Chiefs. Mara Hugo Bruce wa wina no Urisa go AFCON Urisa go World Cup. The Kaizer Chiefs players are the thing. So let's not have politics and whatnot. Let's support Bafana hore lo shooting shabala lona Modise o teng mama
That's
o
what I
teng
wanted to say.
let's
Ke ema
let's
le
support
yena.
Bafana
We are one
ke
team.
malena
Yeah.
ntwe ke bona
a
gona
re kwala mkhutse ya
ntwe ke bona kwa go Pirates ne le player ngwe le ngwe tlo o mana le saleng no matter o ya ka wa perform ne batla le national team player ngwe le ngwe tlo Pirates because le no ten sona
okay no it's fine
nka no hloka jersey mark go pala le no ten
No,
sona
no, it's fine.
player ngwe le ngwe tlo go Pirates ga e bapala le national team
okay
Why?
a re so a re kwala mkhutse o kwagetsi that's your opinion
this is my
and
opinion
thank you so much for raising up your opinion hey tada
Thanks,
thanks
ladies, Mr. Ngobo.
Yeah.
Mr. Ngobo, yabona uma sidlala ngesquad. I'm a Kaizer Chiefs fan. Uma udlala esquadini ayikho iplayer engizoyikhoma ngithi le ePirates le eyani. Once they wear Bafana t-shirt, I'm Bafana too.
masiba support
Support
congratulations Kosi congratulations Sanda 1
sharp member
hey tada